students, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we start chapter number 2, fraction, exercise 2.2, a reciprocal of a fraction. So first we understood what is the reciprocal. If the product of two fraction is 1, if the product, so what is the meaning of product? It means multiply. Then the fraction are called reciprocal of each other. So first line, if the product of two fraction, so one fraction is 2 by 3 and we can take another fraction 3 by 2. So if we do multiply both fraction, we are getting 1. If 1, then the fraction are called reciprocal of each other. So 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 is the reciprocal. If in any question reciprocal of 2 by 3, so your answer is 3 by 2. If reciprocal of 3 by 2, then your answer is equal to 2 by 3. So when we do multiply these fractions, we are getting 1. So now the important things, the reciprocal of 1 is always 1. The reciprocal of 1 is always 1 and the reciprocal of 0 is does not exist. If जे मान लो क्वेश्चन आ गया कि reciprocal of 1 लिखना है, तुसी लिखोगे is 1. जे आ गया reciprocal of 0, तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा जी, does not exist. So now we start question number 1. So first question, find the reciprocal. A part is given here 3 by 7. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? So it's very easy. You write here reciprocal. So reciprocal the meaning है कि आप इनू opposite कर देना. 3 by 7 है, उल्टा कर देना जी इनू 7 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 we write here 7 by 3. So it is also called multiplicative inverse. This is a multiplicative inverse. So there are two inverse, one is the multiplicative and another is the additive inverse. So reciprocal is called multiplicative inverse. Okay, now we can take another example from your book. Second part is here 5 by 38. So again you write here 5 by 38, reciprocal of 5 by 38. So again what we can do just opposite. 5 by 38 है, इन्हों आप की लिखेंगे जी 38 by 5. So I hope all of you are understood question number 1. Now we start question number 2. So in question number 2 we can do divide. So divide A part 5 by 9 by 8. 5 by 9 by 8. So first what we can do here, do divide. की करेंगे अपन जी, divide कर रहे हैं. So 5 by 9, whereby we put sign of division here, divide, and then we will write here 8. 5 by 9 divide by 8. So it's very easy. First is 5 by 9. So this is a dividend. So 5 by 9 we always same write. Then where sign of division we put here multiply. जिथे डिवाइड द साइन उत्थे आप की लावांगे जी मल्टीप्लाई द साइन, एंड यू राइट 8 by 1. सो 8 by 1 रेसिप्रोकल 1 by 8. ठीक है जी. हमेशा जिहड़ा तुहाडे राइट हैंड साइड जिहड़ा नंबर है, राइट हैंड साइड नंबर नूं हमेशा की करना, आपां जदों भी डिवाइड कर रहे हैं राइट हैंड साइड नंबर वी राइट ओनली रेसिप्रोकल. 8 सीगा, इत्थे की लिखता आपां 8 by 1. नाउ if it is simplify then do simplify, it is not any simplify then do multiply. जे तो simplify हो सकता तो simplify करांगे, अदरवाइज इन्हों आप multiply करांगे. सो न्यूमिनेटर हमेशा न्यूमिनेटर ना multiply होगा and denominator is also multiply by denominator. So do not do multiply like cross multiply, no. So you multiply only numerator multiply by numerator. 5 multiply by 1 equal to 5 1 जा 5. 9 multiply by 8, 9 8 जा 9 multiply by 8, 9 8 जा 72. So this is your answer. We can take one more example. in this question in your book given like E part 18 by 4 by 9. So now we solve again. We do divide here, so we will put sign of divide and then we write here 4 by 9. So same again, so 4 by 9 in your right hand side, this is your right hand side, so 8, put sign multiply, and now this number will be reciprocal, so 9 by 4. So 18 you put here 1 and now again numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator एंड इन अनदर केस जो अपन सिंप्लीफाई कर लिए कि 18 और 4 बोथ नंबर विल बी कम इन सेम टेबल, विच टेबल आई थिंक इज द 2, सो 2 4 जा एंड 9 2 जा, 9 9 जा 81 by 2. I hope you understood this question. Now do rest part do yourself. Okay, so next we start. So now we start question number 3rd. So question number 3rd again solve. Second and third same question. So 12 by 17 and put divide 8 by 50. In second question here given by, in second question here given by, but in third question is already given sign of divide. So how to solve? Same 12 by 17 and where divide we will put sign of multiply, and fraction in your right hand side you can change 15 by 8. Okay, ये सिंप्लीफाई हो सकता तेन सिंप्लीफाई करांगे, अदरवाइज न्यूमरेटर नु न्यूमरेटर नाल मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिनोमिनेटर. So now we will find a table, which table both digit will come in same table. So 12 और 8 ਇਹ ਜਿਹਾ ਟੇਬਲ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋਨੇ ਇਹ ਸੇਮ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਣ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਟੇਬਲ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ? आई थिंक सो 4 ਦੇ ਟੇਬਲ 'ਚ ਦੋਨੇ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ 4 2 ਜਾਂ 8 and 12 also divided by 4, we are getting 3. So now 3 multiplied by 15 45 and 17 multiplied by 2 34. Next is C part. 2 1 by 5 divide 11 by 15. So 2 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. 2 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So first we change in improper fraction. So how to change? 5 multiply by 2, 5 2 ja 10 and then add 1, 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11 by 5 and divide 11 by 15. So next we write here 11 by 5 and same thing, where divide sign we will put sign of multiply, and now 11 by 15 in your right hand side, this is in your right hand side, so now we change or we write a reciprocal 15 by 11. So now you see here 11 and 11 same number, this is the numerator, this is the denominator, and 5 divided by 15, so your answer is 3. I hope you understood this question. Now question number 4 is the statement sum. So in your book, so first I write for explanation the product of two fraction is 9 3 by 5. Find the other fraction. Find the other fraction if one of the fraction is 9 3 by 7. So now you see here, look at first line, the product of two fraction. So here we need two fraction and the product is mean to equal to. So product of two fraction, we don't know what is the two fraction, so we write here multiply, and what is the meaning of is equal to, so we write here 9 3 by 5. So now we read next line, find the other fraction if one of the fraction is 9 3 by 7. So where two fraction we don't know, but we know only one fraction. One fraction is given here 9 3 by 7. So we write here 9 3 by 7, and another fraction we don't know, we just write x. You can write another alphabet a b c whatever, we write only x. ठीक है जी. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शन उन्होंने आख्या है इज़ 9/3. इस दा मतलब होंदा हमेशा इक्वल टू, और टू फ्रैक्शन का प्रोडक्ट है अपन को कोई पता नहीं किहड़ा फ्रैक्शन टू हो सकता है, सो वी राइट हेयर मल्टीप्लाई. एंड नेक्स्ट इफ वन ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन इज 9 3 by 7. सो टू फ्रैक्शन, वन फ्रैक्शन इज गिवन 9 3 by 7. सो अगेन दिस इज अ मिक्स्ड नंबर, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन चेंज इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो 7 multiply by 9, 7 multiply by 9, 9 7 जा 63 and 63 plus 3. So this is the 66 by 7 multiply by x equal to, now again change into improper fraction, 9 5 is 45, 45 plus 3, 48 by 5. So now what we can do here, so when we do multiply two number, we are getting another number. So this is always bigger than these two number. This number is bigger than other two number. So x, so 48 by 5 divide by 66 by 7. Okay. So we can take one more example, like if their two number is multiplied by 8 and one of the number is 4, find the another number. So it is very easy. So if 8 divided by 4, we are getting 2, so we write here 2. But now here fraction 48 by 5 is the bigger number from these two numbers, so we write here 48 by 5 divide 66 by 7. So x equal to, again same method we apply here, divide, we will put here multiply, and 66 by 7 we can do reciprocal, 7 by 66. So now you can do simplify or multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So you will find a number which both number will come 48 and 66. कोई कह जा ਆਪਾਂ ਟੇਬਲ फाइंड करिए ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 48 और 66 दोनों नंबर आउंदे होण.